looking at system of inequalities word problems. We're going to point out a couple of key words you're going to find in these word problems that you'll focus on whether what kind of inequality you have. So first, let's go down to the steps. It's going to be the same exact as the word problems for systems of equations. So you're going to define your variables, and then you're also going to set up two inequalities. Same steps, but this time we're going to have these kinds of words in our word problem. So if you see the words less than, under, below, beneath, fewer, you are looking at the less than inequality. If you see more than, greater, over, greater, or larger than, and exceeds, then you guessed it, you're looking at the greater than symbol. And if you see at most, no more, maximum, or bottom, this is going to be less than or equals to symbol. And finally, if you see the at least, no less, minimum, top, you're going to have the greater than or equal to symbol. Let's look at an example. Zoe is selling her old clothes at a garage sale. She sells shirts for $3 each and jeans for $7 each. She can sell no more than 30 items, but plans to make at least $100. So what do we have here? We've got shirts and jeans. Let's define our variables. I'm going to say X is shirts and Y is jeans. Okay, let's look at this. We have shirts for $3 each and jeans for $7. Aw, man. For $7 each. And she can sell no more than 30 items and plans to make at least $100. So we've got an X and a Y. We have a quantity, 30 items. So remember, that's going to be our item plus item, and we can get 30 items. We want to know how many, the quantity of each. And it says no more. Go back to that first page. When it says no more than, it's this symbol. And then we also know how much each item is. So this is going to be our equations that are $3 for the shirts and $7 for the Y. And we want to make at least $100. What inequality at least is the greater than or equal sign. That's it. That's all we do. Let's look at this one. Mateo sells hot dogs and hamburgers. So let's make hot dogs are X, hamburgers are Y. Hot dogs are, let me get my hot dogs. Hot dogs, they're $2.50 each. And hamburgers are $4.25 each. He needs to make more than, there's our dollar amount, $160, and must sell more than 25 hot dogs since the meat is about to expire. So this one's a little bit different. We don't have where we're combining hot dogs and hamburgers and we want the total hot dogs and hamburgers. It says 25 hot dogs only. So if hot dogs? Yeah, hot dogs. So X, instead of X and plus Y equals 25, X, we just need that to be more than 25. So more than is our greater than symbol. We also want to figure out the total price, total amount he wants to make. And we've got the total of each. So we've got 250 hot dogs plus 425 hamburgers, and we want to make 60. We want to make what? More than. So that is our greater than symbol. All right, make sure you are defining your variables in some form or fashion. Underline the information you know and you need to know. Circle or highlight in some form or fashion the more than, the less than, whatever word it is, so that we know which inequality to select. Let me know when you have questions.